everybody, it's Kelly Driver here. Welcome back to another video. Today I am embarking on something new again. So always doing new things, which is absolutely fantastic. Today I'm doing a commission piece for a girlfriend of mine, and it's for her son, and his favorite color is red. And I haven't done a lot with red. I find it a little bit, it's a very, red has so many strong emotions with it, and there's so many different shades of it, and I'm not a huge fan of orange colors and the way orange pigments react with each other. So anyway, but today I'm doing a lovely 45 by 55 rectangular canvas, that's centimeters obviously, and it's going to have a red that I've made up of different colors. I've got a bit of a shortage of paint due to it taking a long time to get deliveries from art shops during lockdown, and I can't go to the shop myself, so anyway, I've made up my own red, so I cannot run out or I'm absolutely in a real pickle. And it's a made up blend of different colours to match the colour requirement that I've received from my client. And we're going to put that with some yellow, green, blue, and I've got a new Pebeo Iridescent green blue that I can't wait to use. So let's begin. I'm a little bit under the weather today. I'm just recovering from a mild cold, and I also had my second Pfizer vaccine yesterday. So I've got a bit of a sore arm, and I'm not sure whether I've got symptoms today because I had a bit of a funny nose during the week, or because of Pfizer. But anyway, I'm soldiering on through, and I'm really excited to have a go at this painting, and it's going to be a Dutch pour. So let's begin, let's paint. Here we are, guys, ready to paint. So here is the red that I've got a titanium white, and this is red oxide. I've only got a tiny bit of this mixed up. I'm a bit scared. I'm not sure what the oxide in that will do. This is primary yellow, sky blue, greenish yellow, Pebeo green, blue green. And then I've also got the light gold. So first of all, we will pour on our base. Now I cannot waste any of this paint because it's all I have. So if I run out, I am in a very big problem. So I need to have enough to be able to flood the canvas as well. So we'll blow this out first, trying to conserve everything. I've got half a cup of paint left to be able to help the paint flow later, so that should be fine. Okay, so I'm going to first of all put on this one I'm a bit scared about, my red oxide, and I'm going to do a line here, here, and then down here is the plan. and I only want a very thin line of this because I don't know what it's going to do. Okay, so that's pretty good. Happy with that. I'll put a tiny bit of white on, just a little bit. That is not a little bit. Yellow, primary yellow. Whoa, there we go, there's cells coming up already. That's what I mean about the oxide not knowing what it's going to do. And we'll put the green on top of the yellow. Oh, whoops. The sky blue. The iridescent blue-green. Light gold. There's my colours. So I will blow my paint over. So beautiful. Oh, wow, it is so beautiful. Oh, just divine. Oh, this is so pretty. Oh, wow. So beautiful. Oh my. Just getting my trusty stool. The red oxide looks fantastic. It looks really great. I'm so pleased. Make pink there. Ooh, I hope he doesn't mind a tiny bit of pink. Tiny bit. Wonder if any more colour will come out just here. There should be more. Thought there would be. Well, oh, this is so cool. It's such a beautiful colour. It will be really interesting to see how it all dries. We've got cells popping up all over the place, which is really fun. And I'm really pleased with this. So I'll bring you down to give you a close-up of it. So this is the final result. I've made a few minor tweaks after I turned off the main video, just to make things a bit more, a bit better with the composition. There's some fantastic blue-green in there, and I wasn't sure about this area up the top here, but I like it. It's got this delicate lacing in it. It's really quite special, and so I decided not to touch it at all because it's so delicate and wispy, and I thought it was really cool. So over here we've got lots of the green and the iridescent. I'm not sure if you can see the sparkle. I'm trying to do it on an angle so you can see the sparkle without dropping my phone on the painting. But there's some really, there you go, oh look at that sparkle there. I'm holding my phone very close, so be careful, Kelly. And then we've got some negative space just here, the red oxide reacting interestingly with everything, and down on the bottom left hand corner. So I really hope you enjoyed this different artwork today, and the different colours that I have used and the way they've reacted against each other. I'm really very pleased with this painting, and my name is Kelly Driver. Please like and subscribe to my channel to show your support, and I will see you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye.